Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị ekene, ana m asị ka udo nke Chineke dịrị onye ọbụla n'aha Jizọs Kraịst of Nazareth, amen. Isiokwu nwetara tata bụ mmadụ iji ihe onwe gosi ịfụnanya n'ibe nwanne ya nọ. Iji ihe inwe wee gosipụta ịfụnanya n'ibe nwanne gị nọ ka Kraịst ji mee. Ọrụ niile Kraịst rụrụ n'ụwa, Kraịst gosipụtara ihe a na-akpọ ịfụnanya. O ji ike nna ya nye ya wee gosi ịfụnanya, gwọọ ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ọya. O ji ike nna ya nye ya wee mee ọtụtụ ọrụ, gosipụta ịfụnanya n'ibe ụmụ ogbenye nọ, n'ibe ndị a na-emegide emegbu. Christ show us love not by writing. Ịma na anyị na-ede mana ihe anyị dere anyị adịghị practice ya. Not by preaching. Ịma na anyị na-epreach mana ihe anyị na-epreach we are not doing it. Not by talking. We always talk, but if I may, we are not practicing it in the Igbo land. Ndị Igbo, mgbe anyị mụtara ife a na-akpọ practice practical, ị na-eme ihe a na-afụ ya anya, that is when we will start growing. Maka Igbo ya etoftewe, that is beftewe ihe a na-afụ anya. From example, a na-akpọ ndị Awụsa, maybe anyị na-asị na onwere ihe ama, but nta ala aja ọbụla nwetara ego, the first thing ala aja ya emewu ikreti ibu oyi isi na-enweta mana ụmụnne ya na-eriju afọ. O nwere ike afụ ala aja anwụta ife ndị shu na-eji apolishi kpakakpaka shu, ndị na-ebugharị shu nwa ya like 2,000 or 10,000, kpọpụta mmadụ 10,000 or 2,000 ka esi anya sana return ọrụ ha ego. Ndị ama anyị na-akpọ na onwere ihe ama na amarụ, they will be coming a na-apolishi shu na-anara 100 naira na-epocha ya mbọ ọkwa 100 naira na return ala haji na-eri ọnụọgwụrụ ifeọma ka ọwụ. Do it practical wụnọ ma ndị na-akwa akwa ndị ala ji na-ego ya mmesi nọcha 55,000 mgbe o gonyere mmadụ 1,000, how much? Ọkwa ha na-egonye adaghị ama ebo ya mgbe ete, they will return it. But who Igbos, if I nwe wee ga anyị nwe mmadụ, if I na like you eto anyị pride, come out and let people know that you have money by spraying your money to a big man like you. Gị bute ego, mmadụ bute ego, o bute 1 million, pio keso 2 million, ọ asị eme na, but buru ya o posa ya wa etuo ya afa odogwu akụ na-etigbu iro nke izu na Anambra, ọbata obie nke ịbụa na nne akụ na-atakasị na Abia steeti, Okwuruọra na Imo steeti, na-etugo ọtụtụ afa, but ego ahụ ịbata ijikwa ya panye ọgaranya ibe gị, not poor. Ọ dị ka ibe mmadụ jere mmiri na boho na-abụghị na boho. But ịbịa na that Anyi Igbo, ije na a hospital, ebe mmitichara ụlọọgwụ, ifunu ụmụ ndị nọ n'ụlọọgwụ because of 6,000 to bail them out or to treat them. Onwere onye nyere ha the money. Why if you bring that 1 million naira got to that kind of hospital, ihe ji were agwọ mmadụ wepụ about 10 or 15 people, ekene gị kene Chineke. Ị gaa n'ụlọ akwụkwọ ma ụmụasị na-akpagharị na-ere ebugharị ya, onwe ndị school fee ha bụ 4,000, but they don't have help. Aka anyị nara Chineke gozie gị, were ihe iji ihe onye gị gosi ịfụnanya. But we are saying we are this, answering them. Let us Igbo understand. And we can't not to do break and be person. Create, use your money, create something. Ya wuru small 5 naira 2 naira na pataki na. Can those also say by David Wafu? Let all these our big boys come together, build a factory, a charity organization. Iba na say, I na scholarship. Ụmụ nwaanyị isi mgbe anyị na-azụ unu, anyị na-eme unu nke a. Thank you for those that are doing it. Ụmụ ndị na-eme ya. Ndị a na-eme ya ka Chineke gọzie unu n'aha Jesus Christ. Amen. You will use your money answer them in a club, but in your family, ungono organize for you can be able to open you say or dead, not their compound. Dying. And that's gonna live in the change. Why he said love your neighbor as you love yourself? Also, then money be making hot job, eating hot job, when you walk, but Igbo not calculating, no yam, Mponya mem, Bemangobe, before Abraham, Linka, but Christ did not do it before he died. Christ in Womakai Jani, and John 999 he did not calculate anyone. Christ paid the price and died, but he no way calculated before he made money. Igbo always do that. Calculation. Then, and so, are you practicing what God said? Or say that? Nagejini hojo woman in woman. If any Igbo calculation. Bongo be Lifonia one, Lifamaya one. Never to the guy me. A lot of us go and make money for us to use that wicked our people or our enemies. No. The Bible said in the book of Psalm 94 that vengeance belongs to God, not you. Vengeance belongs to God, not you. If we can learn, practice like other people that would think, I may put a money hammer, I may work a hammer, if I had I will always open government. Money, the ego, the Igbo way go. And then man is a fat ego. But no, you have to watch and organize and know these people. They can a big boy occasion, not obey. Obey more, organize with first order. Man, organize obey and talk and obey. Many amenities, 1 minute, organize no, glory. Let us use what we have and help each other. Visit school. Find poor there. Visit motherless baby home. Find poor people there. Visit village. Find poor people there. Ghana, Ibanamuma, find poor people there, give scholarship. They are poor everywhere in the street. Let us come together and create how we will be helping each other. Ghana Fianya. Can we find in Kenya? Get time into Yore Omanaka. Almost somebody now Bible, is it a good lesson? He was a great king, have words and everything. Young René beginning to do way. Jenny get again. Chineke mechame again. Toma yoha no yatawaya. Igushani abuchi dento. That is sometimes. That is why boy you the way you are doing it, he will turn against you. God will turn against you. He gives it to help people. Not to celebrate big man. He put an agan onya potareba or about 2 million, about 20 million. Go. Many of them not here. And this one has all poverties. Mandela Wakana, Mandi Munakon, and I don't have a guide. You will be happy that somebody that guiding you, salary will 10,000 or 50,000, but he will stand. You will 50 million poor, 10 million poor. Can you go in some plan kidnap you? He will kidnap you. If you have access to get at your money, you know that you're a wicked person. He will kidnap you. If I need a club of chronos, if you forget any begin or chronos. He will say, spend that much. That is why we are dying. All you are meeting wishing people. One nigga and a phone and a pie on the west. One had to move for you. Say, no, you be feeling I was slave to you. Almost some big man drive a man. He drive a Jibuya because of what? Salary. The man paying this boy 25,000. But he go and put a motor the guy in the girl. Now carry 50 million almost a week. He was saying the man was spending it, dashing people. This poor boy was living in a one room. How can the boy will not get a heart to kill that man? Igbo, let us come out from all this mess. Let us show love. Kai most spirit of understanding. Particularly when you are na moto, no boy they are the first people that you show love. But some of them are there serving you, but but their salary is not up to 20,000. But they are seeing you spending, wasting money for dog alone. Can't you have conscience? If you want to live long, learn from this message. Let people around you, those poor, your family, let them create them, make them a big man before. First. And some of you there, someone can get Maya warrior, Maya amatize in Maya, but it's a rich, a dawn. That is why sometimes a national will not go because of your attitude. Let us not be calculating what this person did. Let us be celebrating. If I could be around, can be go here. If I say I could be around, be with the ego, because you know yes, we but I can tell you, can we jam with the mother? Would I piano on Tarisian and Wayomero? Isokun Tata, Kai will hinge, make a Christ, will I get to get no Yeren Dobiaka, you don't want Haka. Let us not be hoping for government. They are, it is not only them. Only some people will carry on down. Let us not be showing creating net. Oh, yeah, with show us your factory. That is what we want to hear. Show us the site you create to helping poor. Show us mother living in charity home. Show us the people that you're giving scholarship. We need it. Since we have started learning how to come outside, social media and negotiation case, show us we need it. I want to visit. I visit many of them. I need to visit your own. So that we will pray for you. God will bless you more. Let us reduce criminal by using what we have and help people around us. Why they are robbing you, why they are planning to kidnap you, is because we are not showing them love. Okay, no, it's okay, no, if you read. Whatever that happens to you, you're not going to so matter. Look at this money. The daytime when you if you want to live long, if you're a big man, use this wisdom. Use that your money. Help people around you for you to live long. Solomon make all this work and bothering when I say, this thing was vanity upon vanity. You cannot go with your house. Look at somebody like Babangida. How many rooms stay? How many of them? You will sleep only one room. And when you die, the poor people will beg. We need to talk more. Ndi Igbo, onwere ya no. We are killing ourselves by wickeding each other around us. Okay, Messiah. Just pick this point and change. Biniko, share any message ma kona fire and kona give ibenine. Kana pasang uzoma kandiwa wudana motinye. I'm not talking against anyone. I see maybe nego, but create where you will be spending. Create where you will be helping poor. Create where you will be working for God. Help people around you. Can you reduce these particular things? If you are a good boss, come on, we'll take 30,000 boss. May I not attack give to people. They will be happy. Even they will be happy. Create a place more. They will be happy. I had a place. There's a place that I saw in Ghana. I create many places now. Let Nigeria have our own. I believe your brother before people accuse the Yemen. Can say a humble can pride upon Debai. Yagasi, that remove ma Jesus. Share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Can pride upon Amen.